Hello everyone. Today's topic is React and Redux Training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss about React and Redux Training roadmap, about course prerequisites, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities about training. Now we are discussing about the course. React and Redux Training is a comprehensive program designed for learners to acquire the skills and knowledge needed to build dynamic, interactive user interfaces for web applications using React and manage application states effectively with Redux. React has become a cornerstone in modern web development due to its component-based architecture and efficient rendering capabilities. This training typically covers foundational concepts such as the React library, including components, JSX, JavaScript XML, props, and state management. Participants will learn how to create reusable UI components and manage their lifecycle using React's built-in hooks like useState and useEffect. Additionally, the program delves into Redux, a powerful state management library covering essential topics such as actions, reducers, the store, and middleware. Learners will explore how to integrate Redux with React applications to manage complex state across large apps effectively. Real-world applications of Redux, including Redux Thunk for handling asynchronous operations, will also be discussed. The training often includes best practices for structuring React applications, including component composition and handling side effects. Participants will also gain hands-on experience by building projects, applying their knowledge to real-world scenarios, and collaborating with others in practical sessions. By the end of the training, learners will be equipped to build scalable web applications, contributing valuable skills to industries such as technology, e-commerce, and social media, where responsive user experiences are crucial. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, React and Redux Training provides essential tools and knowledge to navigate the dynamic landscape of web development successfully. Next, we can discuss prerequisites for React and Redux Training. The prerequisites for React and Redux Training typically include a solid understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, particularly ES6 features like arrow functions and classes, familiarity with basic web development concepts, and experience with JavaScript frameworks will enhance the learning experience. Now we will learn about the eligibility criteria for React and Redux Training. Beginners in front-end development. If you have basic JavaScript knowledge, you can start learning React. UI/UX developers transitioning to front-end development. Full-stack developers looking to enhance their front-end skills. Software engineers who want to specialize in React. Next, we know about the salary, roles, and responsibilities of React and Redux Training front-end developer role. Builds user interfaces using React, Redux, and modern web technologies. Salary, $70,000 to $120,000 per year. React developer role. Specializes in developing React applications, managing state with Redux, and optimizing performance. Salary, $80,000 to $130,000 per year. Full stack developer role. Works on both front-end, React, Redux, and back-end handling full application development. Salary, $90,000 to $150,000 per year. UI/UX engineer role focuses on designing user-friendly, interactive interfaces with React and integrating UI/UX principles. Salary, $75,000 to $120,000 per year. Software engineer, React-focused. Role develops web applications using React, Redux, and related libraries while ensuring performance and scalability. Salary, $85,000 to $140,000 per year. JavaScript developer role works primarily with JavaScript frameworks, including React and Redux, for both web and mobile applications. Salary, $75,000 to $130,000 per year. The last topic is the training program. The GoLogica React and Redux training course is designed to provide comprehensive training in modern web development using React.js and Redux. This course focuses on hands-on learning, equipping you with the skills needed to build dynamic, high-performance web applications. You will gain expertise in React component-based architecture and state management using Redux, enabling you to create scalable and maintainable applications. Throughout the course, you will cover essential topics such as JSX, components, props, state, and lifecycle methods, along with advanced concepts like React hooks, Context API, and React Router. The training also includes Redux fundamentals, covering actions, reducers, the store, middleware, and their integration with React applications. Additionally, you will learn performance optimization techniques such as lazy loading, code splitting, and React. Memo, as well as how to manage API calls efficiently using REST APIs and Graph. The course also introduces testing methodologies using Jest and Enzyme to ensure application reliability. This training is ideal for both beginners and professionals who want to enhance their web development expertise. With flexible learning options and expert guidance from experienced instructors, you will be able to master React and Redux at your own pace. Whether you are transitioning into front-end development or looking to upskill in modern JavaScript frameworks, this course provides the necessary foundation to excel in the growing field of React development. In addition, you will receive a certification that validates your skills and enhances your career prospects